Micromotor Madness. Scale down, drive big.
Start with a frame, a box of scattered parts, a little bit of madness, a whole lot of heart. No shortcuts, no easy road. Built it my way. Now watch it roll. Every note. Let's go! Power Wagon, look at it now. Built from scratch, never backing down. Brushless soul, heavy torque. Micromotor Madness, leaving its mark. Yeah! Let's roll! Roll cage lock, standing tall, ready to crawl, ready for it all. Fusion power, smooth and strong. Every little detail, right where it belongs. Hidden lights, magnetic touch, no loose wires. That's how we build. One vision, one machine. Come on! Power Wagon! Power Wagon! Built to last, one of one. Made to blast, no compromise, no second try. Micromotor Madness, built to climb, built with pride, built to stay. Thanks for watching. Now you know the story. Watch the full build. Link below. Like, share, subscribe. Keep the wheels turning. Micromotor Madness. See you on the next build.